In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock any number on your iPhone. To unblock any number on your iPhone, it's very simple and very easy to do. As you can see, this is the iPhone home screen. What you want to do here, if you check the left, if you check the bottom left corner, you're going to see the call center icon in green color. What I want you to do, I want you to tap on that icon, the green icon. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. So once you are on this page, you want to look at the down part. You are going to see favorite recent contact. You want to tap on contact. So once you tap on contact, I want you to look for the number you want to unblock. Let's say we have already blocked this first number. We now want to unblock it. Just tap on the number you want to unblock. So once you tap on the number you want to unblock, it will take you to this page. Once you are on this page, you want to scroll down. If you check the bottom part, you're going to see unblock caller. You just want to tap on that unblock caller. Once you tap on it, it will unblock the caller. You can see block caller. So we have successfully unblocked this caller on my iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually unblock any number on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.